Hey guys, me Poppy Rain here. I know it's really dark, but I feel like I need to be productive because I really haven't done shit today other than take Daddy to return his headphones, pick up food that I ordered. You guys can't see me, sorry. Did my Quaker meeting and went to 3 different stores to look for Princess's stupid popsicles. So today, I'm finally going to clean out the fridge because I've literally been asking Daddy to wipe it out and stuff for probably like 4 months now. And he was supposed to clear it out yesterday, or Friday, today's Sunday, Friday, before I came home with groceries and only half-assed it. So, I'm not going to do the freezer, but I am going to do the fridge. I'm literally just using glass cleaner to do it. So I'll show you what we got in the fridge and all the who's its and what's its of everything. Hold on, I gotta find something to prop this door open with because this door does not stay open for shit. Oh, we can just use the Crop Tot insert. Because that's sitting right there. Okay. Like I said, I'm literally just using glass cleaner. So let me find I did with glass cleaner because I just used glass cleaner the other day for the stove. Window cleaner, yeah. That, and I'm debating if I want to use. I'm not making anything, baby. Go watch your show, please. I'm going to use some of the Lysol wipes. Disinfect as well. They're just generic Lysol wipes. I know I had more in here somewhere. I should roll the frick happened to them. Okay. Oh, and I gotta, hold on, I gotta bring the fridge over, too. The garbage. Okay, so first we're gonna do this drawer. In this drawer we have some onions, some white onions, and some regular onions. There's 2 types of onions in there. Bubby! Do you want a cheese stick? Just spray it underneath the bottom of my hair because this is gross. Come here, come get a cheese stick then, baby. Do you want 1 or 2?
2.
Let me open these for him, because he's got to be eaten up. Like, whatever doesn't get eaten up by probably Tuesday or Wednesday needs to be tossed. So I'm not going to show you the fridge itself. I sprayed it and soaking right now. I do this.
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you.
And then, so we've got 3 more cheese sticks that need to be eaten up. This rice pudding expired in October, so I'm going to toss it. I know with some things they last longer than the expiration date. Then we're going to take this and we're going to dump it out. About what we can anyways. I don't know why there's cat food in there, but okay. Then we're gonna spray this down. We're gonna spray down the section right in front of where the drawer goes in. Okay, then we need some disinfecting wipes. I'm gonna do one drawer at one section at a time. Literally, I asked Daddy to wipe this down. No joke, like 3 months ago. No, back in like September. August, September. And he never did. But I also need to get working for today because I have not been doing work either. Why do they make this, like, seriously, like, not even child-proof, but adult-proof at that? So I'm going to use one wipe per section. And then paper towel the rest. It's not going to be perfect. Because I don't have the energy to sit here and like thoroughly scrub and scrub and scrub. But I would like it to be at least 60% better. I think I'm going to spray this down a second time. So I'm going to spray this down a second time. That's it. And we're going to clean this front area. There's like broken crap in there. I have no clue what it is. Okay, that I can just wipe out. Okay, I'm trying to use as little cleaning supplies as possible to do this. I'm trying to be frugal about it. I don't know what this brown shit is, but that's disgusting. And I think the other shit is actually... Guys, I think the other shit is caramel sauce. And if that's what that is, that's really bad because that was from before Princess moved in. And she's lived here about a year and a half. Hold on. Let me grab this down. That's been in there for a year and a half. Ew. Nope, that's not that. Let's see if I have something else I can use besides that. Okay, so I don't really have... Get out of there. Sorry, the cat's there. Anything else I can use, and I gotta organize underneath there too. So, while that's soaking, we're gonna do one more wipe out of this. Like I said, again, it's not gonna be perfect, but it's gonna be a lot better than it initially was. This isn't better. This isn't perfect, like I said. But it's better. And I think I'm going to start lining paper towels in here. Then we'll spray the bottom side. With that set. This front piece, I'm going to wipe out. And that's really not that bad anymore. This, though, I don't even know what this shit is. This shit is, like, glued on, whatever it is. I have seriously no clue what this brown shit is. Might have to grab a dirty knife to scrape it. Because I don't know what that brown shit is. The dark brown shit. The other shit, like I said, I'm pretty sure is caramel. From, like, 2 years ago. From, like, 2 fucking years ago. It's stuck on there, which is gross. Because I think we've only cleaned out, like, wiped out this fridge. Maybe, like, a handful of times. What this is. The knife is like peeling it up. Like, I don't know what that is. It looks like it might be chocolate sauce. But like I said, I'm pretty sure the brown shit is caramel sauce. Or from when I made caramel apples. Which was literally probably like 2-3 years ago. That I thought he had cleaned up, that he never did. Like I said, this is not going to be a perfect clean. But it's going to be at least 60% better. So far, we haven't really thrown out much. Just our, out of the 4 items that were in there, we threw out the pudding.
That's two.
And then we kept the cheese sticks, and we kept the 2 onions. Okay, can you go? Yeah, what do you need, Bubby?
I broke this toilet.
Why?
Because it's dirty.
It's dirty? Okay, you want a new one?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give him a new one. Because... Nope, right here, Bubs. You're not eating an onion. Onions taste gross when they're not cooked. Spicy.
This toilet, but you too.
That one's not as spicy, the white ones. We have Red onion. I don't know why red onions are called red onions because they're not actually red. But I'm also not trying to spend like 2 hours doing this either. That's why I'm not doing like a full clean. Go eat your cheese, please.
I need to get my puppy.
Okay, get your puppy then. Don't ask me what he's talking about, guys, because he's got about 50 puppies. Thinking he's talking about his annoying one that Daddy's mom gave him for Christmas. My mom got him useful gifts. My mom actually got him a tower so that he can cook with me in here. Some Montessori kid. Knives. And cooking shit. Okay, I'm gonna stop scraping this for now and I'm gonna spray it down again. And let it marinate. Montessori cooking shit. And she made him an apron. I said it never came. It got stolen in the mail. Do you think she bothered to make another one like she's going to now?
My puppy.
Okay. Good job. Get it. You want something in it? He was asking about his cubby, not his puppy. Okay, so I am going to line that on the bottom. So we're putting these onions back in here. Huh?
I need orange.
Have you had orange juice today?
Yeah.
Daddy gave you orange juice this morning?
No.
No? Okay.
I need to make orange.
Okay, so he wants
Orange.
his bottle of orange juice because he's sick. I don't normally let him drink a lot of orange juice, but because he's sick, he's vitamin C, and there's water in there already, so it'll be watered down. You're the cutest. Okay.
It's ready.
And that little orange juice
It's empty.
is 3.5 or 325 milliliters, and it filled up almost his whole cup. And that was with water in it. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this knife here for that. We're gonna wipe this out, and then we're gonna throw this back in. Because like I said, I'm not doing like a deep clean, but it is gonna be better than what it was.
I like orange.
Okay, baby, go drink it.
So good.
Okay, so it is clearing up whatever this brown shit is, but it is not cleaning up, or the dark brown shit. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be better. Now we're going to transfer to the other drawer, which I don't think I'm going to be able to open because I can't take it out to clean it because I can't take the fridge out all the way. So this one's going to be harder to clean. I I can't clean out under it, and I can't take it out. And I can't clean the bottom of it because I can't open the fridge door away.
I'm not eat orange.
You want these oranges?
Yeah. What's it?
Okay, hold on. He saw me getting... No! Don't do that, please. Guys, he saw me taking out that stuff, so... In there, we have some mandarin oranges, mandarin cup oranges, and then some clementines.
I read it. Yeah, make us do dinner.
Doing dinner right now, Bubs. And then there we also have some cucumbers. Yes.
I read it.
I know you like cucumbers. Like I said, this one's a little harder because I can't take the actual drawer out because of the way the door is. It would literally take me 10 minutes to move everything behind the door to be able to do that. This drawer's not going to get as cleaned as it should. Okay, so I'm putting a paper towel in there. And then I'm putting back cucumbers. And the tangerines, clementines. Okay. Then on the shelf, we got 2 partial carton of eggs, which I hate. I fucking cannot stand when people do that. So I'm combining the 2 cartons of eggs into one. One of my biggest pet peeves is when people have partial cartons of eggs open, like 2 mild salsas open, 2 Chick-fil-A sauces, 2 ketchups, 2 of the same items open. Like, no. I combine if I can. So we have some eggs. That I combined into one thing. We have 2 blocks of Vermont Seriously Sharp cheddar cheese. It doesn't even go in there. That goes, there's a, that goes in the door. We have some Pico Zero Sugar Mango Punch, which doesn't belong in the fridge. There's Traxton's. We have Walmart mayo. I think when I fill my cup up again, I am going to use this and try and use up the rest of my... This is simply watermelon juice. I'm going to try and use up the rest of this. We have an almost gone gallon of milk. I don't even think this is really worth saving. I'm going to combine the 2 because it's really not much. Mozzarella cheese. This was left over from when Princess made stuffed shells. Okay, we have some butter that just recently got opened. I don't know what this is a sauce for, so that can get tossed. I don't know when this salsa was... It still smells good. I don't know when the salsa is even from. It's a medium salsa. I don't see an expiration date on here. This is good till 2027, so I guess we'll keep it. This needs to go. Good job. Go throw that in the sink for me.
Yes.
Good job. We have some peppermint toad coffee creamer.
It's for Toto.
Nope. We have some butterbeer coffee creamer.
For you.
I don't think this is still good anymore, so I'm going to toss it. Chobani Greek vanilla yogurt.
You.
We have some strawberry Chobani Greek yogurt, which is still good.
Yeah.
We've been eating that.
Yeah. It's so good. I love it.
Yep. We have sour cream that I didn't even know we had.
You're eating
That's
all
gross.
teeth. Your teeth.
We have 2 things of ricotta cheese that are probably not going to get used up before they go bad.
Yeah.
We have coconut creamer for making dirty Dr. Peppers. And this is bloated. And congealed. Ew.
Ew.
So I don't think I can take that shelf out either. I'm going to spray it down the best I can.
It's my bomb churro. Hey, mommy.
What?
My bomb churro.
Yeah, we don't need SpongeBob cereal right now.
This one for my daddy.
That's what we got in here. Because Princess has like a weird thing. If things are in the fridge for more than 24 or 48 hours, she won't touch it.
Princess, don't touch it.
It doesn't matter what it is. Her son likes to leave just random leftovers in here and not use them, which is fucking annoying. I hate when he does that. This is gonna have to be sprayed and wiped down multiple times. This is gross. I can't really reach through the walls and stuff in the back, so Daddy or somebody else is gonna do that. It's gonna have to be sprayed again. Left to soak yet again. And I just realized I forgot to this section in front of the drawer down here. Go, please. Come on. I'm gonna have to see if I have an extra sponge. This is gonna have to be sprayed a third time. This shit's really stuck on. Okay. So let me go do that real quick. Let me see if I have an extra sponge somewhere. I don't think I do. I found this multi-surface cleaner that has vinegar in it that I'm going to spray as well. I did find some sponges. Goodbye. You can't be over here. Mommy's using chemicals, dude. So I am going to use this. But I am going to go too because I don't want this video to be like obnoxiously long. So I'm going to go. So catch you on the flip side. Bye, guys.